all. Hey all, in this video I am going to show you how to extract the file names from the folder to an Excel spreadsheet in a simple way. In Excel 2016 you will find this feature on Data tab. So on New Query, Files from Folder. So whatever the file names you are extracted from the particular folder, just give the path of that folder here like this. So I want to extract the data, I want to extract the file names from this particular folder. I am copying this path and pasting here and click OK. It will take a few seconds time and it will populate some data in. So this is a query editor and you will find what are the fields that actually we can import to our spreadsheet. So just click on this edit tab and keep the fields which whatever you required and delete the unnecessary fields. So I want to keep only file's name and the created date, and I want to remove the rest of the data. Just select that column and click on delete button like this. I'm I'm keeping date created and I'm deleting the rest of the data. And now click on close and load. See how simple it is. And if you compare the same things, if you want to do on 2010, you have to write a macro or you have to use some complex formulas in file name manager. But in Excel 2016, it's so simple as you see now. Thanks for watching this video.